Are kani long ru phidang trei
Lada trei te en la shanu kin kong ben pendam
namar kata kin ka sarkar jingi lengba ka pradhan mantri matru vandana yojana ka ai jingi rap ikilong kmi ki ba armen khnang ba ka por ka ba ki armet ba yok khulung kilong kmi kin yo ba ban sumar yala de kilong kmi kin yo jingi rap e de ka pisa ha ka por ka ba ki armet badang ai bun 6000 tingka kin yo ha ka por bas dang ka jing armet lengba ka jing lej ban register yala de ha ki anganwadi center ka jing yo ka ba ar pat ka long 8000 tingka ha ka por le check up ka ban ru banai ka jing armet nang ta ka balai 8000 tingka hadin bala kha yi khulung ha ka por ba IBCG OPV but hepatitis but kiwe de ki injection budon kami khulung namar kata nakbanta gi jing tip ba company a sngu ba ban let mi shaki anganwadi center ki ba jan hasnong jungphi
Barkentiu ya kamela kai martial arts kabaderu kawei na kijingel akai kabala bnanam hapo ka prathai hi bor kawei mantakasni lapli pai bano ya kawei ka jaka ai jinghikai ya ki khon samla hakaliang kali akai kabala tem kum ka kickboxing ya kabala pli mantakasni hapo Arjit studio umsning ya kane ka jaka akai lani ka training center nakabanta ka kickboxing kabadi trairu do ba Samuel Hasha uban loru kum uchif coach yongane ka jaka ai jinghikai lawan don pli ya ka do ba Francis Megam, ubade officer in charge ka umsning police outpost kum ukongsan hakajing don laru kiwi kiri rangba kathan umsning hakabai de ba Samuel Hasa ubade ru uwena kirangba ubala ju shimenta hakikam sain prathai dakaba u airang ru hakane ka election MP arjaka khandai mantapat ulapai khmat ban ajing hikai ki samla hakaliang ka kickboxing baru ban kentiu yakane kai kamela kai sport hapo kathan umsning
yala de kerteng jonga Samuel Hasa nasa stesha persulong pemberka ngadairu presiden jokareka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hagaju kaporo ngadairu chief coach jokareka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hangte ini don lai teli ki logo ka IAKO AMK but WTFF de ketika IAKO ketika Indian Association of Kickboxing Organization baru presiden joka nasional udayu SS Harichandan. But jongka WTFF World Total Fighting Federation President jongka te uday na po ri Europe but how snembaladap na December ulawan man ay ka first national training camp po Shillong uday GM Grandmaster Fatih Seghari uday na po ri Indonesia. But ketika AMKA ketika All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association but ngaday mga president jongka ketika All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association ngila sengya keneka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association nadu arjar kanru hagjing sangin don nadu mensuahi tangba niyo pat bangin pli laga jong pat ya keneka association pat hau arjar kanru da kabang kendo ya Grandmaster SS Harichandan de ma uhi ubawan ru hapo Shillong bat ni pelong te hapo Hotel Assembly bat ban pli ka chapter jongka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hapo kajing yalam kajonga tenadu kita kisnam ngi lala ban sey ki khna ngi don ki khna kan thei hadu ar spa tam bat ki khna shinrang ru ngi bun bah umbaya chispa santhau ngut ai ki khna shinrang tangba ki namar ba kan ka tang ka hobbies kamlong kum ka school te de nak ta ka daw tang shisnam arsnam kitu ki khna kilaja te how arjar khat niau ngilalek ban yishim menta haka national championship balalong hapo sangrur hapo Punjab ngila wanra khat niau teli ke medals how to usnam te but how arjar khat niau hi ngidon ya kaneka North East Championship ka third North East Championship balalong hapo Kokrajhar ngilai khat sangot ki student baro khat sangot iwanra eka medals te dang usnam baladap ngiwan city chapo Goa ngilai khat saungut bat napdeng ki khat saungut ngi wanra khandai ngut medals nang thina po Goa te kane kadai ka jingtre stom jong ki khna ki jongi bat ka jing sim khya ka jonga ila la ban wanra sibun bha ka nam ka burom na gabanta kane ka jalla nadu manswa bat hadu menta te ki khna ki jongi amdei shu bagi dang duna Andre ki khna jongiru kila bit bha manya compare bat kiwi pat state pat kiwi pat jalla ki khna ki jongiru kila khambiang bha ha ka jing yala kai ha bai dei bat kane ka kickboxing te ki khna jongi ki khambit man banya kiwi pat balenga ongumta hangne ngiduna ka infrastructure ngiduna ki training hall ngiduna ki tiar gitar wala kataru ki khna ki jungi na wei usnam cha wei usnam kidang wan ra burom ya ka jalla ka jungi tingas ngau kemen ngas ngau sarong hadu kata-kata khamtam ikikmi kikpa ki wala pha banwan ban le kai ban ni hangte hapo perselong namar ngabu hangte hapo nyomer ya ka neka headquarter jong ka neka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association te nang te hi ngimi bat kane ka de kasin kaba nangkong bangyo ban pensu thit ha kane ka Riphoi district ngas ngo kemen bha da ka bangai ya kendo badi kong amborlin te marsin dap man ha kane ki election ne te ngawan kai chane ngai i baka kane ka umsning area ro kade ka jaka bala he bha te hangne ngimdon ka training center te de nak takadaw ngala UI ya kajing don kam jo ki khna samla te ngala kendo badi kong ni om ka kwa ban set up ya kane ka training center hangne ha pom sning te ngaw ngadon kam ki jaka ngila persang banwat chane chate ki building tamba i khamyo ki ba khambiang te habakut pat ni layo ka jaka hangne te ngasok men bha ya i mi i try jong kane ka yeng ba la sha yang i ban set up ya kane ka training center ban ngai khublai ro i ma i kongro ba la ya don menta ban ai men simlang yanga bang yo ban fli ya kane ka training center ban ai kata kajing hikai na kamenta ki khna samla ki jungi mar ki khun samla ki jungi ki la school ndala wai na school ki shule sheying ki shule kai rai undon kum kane ka jaka training center te kane kan yarap shibun ki khna samla ki jungi but what ki rang ba ro ki long kmi ki long paro ki ba don men sim banwan hangne ki la banwan na kamta ka fitness te ki khna samla pat ki la banwan na kamta ka sports te kan ai jing yarap shibun ki khna samla ki jongi ha ka jaka ban le syang kai sharom chaneng ki obanwan hangne ban training te kin light na ka jing di kiat kin light na ka jing syang makya te kilayo ban penlek ya ka por ka jongki ha ka ne ka training center te khuble shibun nang kong ero ya i chairman jong ka ne ka town de bang layo ban ya kran ban i nadu kiti ki por war la rangim syam ya kundu syu maknaro rai ka jing ya kendo jonga bat i kalong abas ngotenat bha bat i la aimen sim shibun ba ngiyo ban hukum kini ki kenja jingile kai kum kene training center naso kuman ai khuble shibun ya fi khuble shibun na bentar jing kaloi bat ke jing sbun ke jong fi bangin yo ban ya kan tiulang ya ki khna samla hap ka imlang salang ha kene ka dong ha kene ka thang ke jongi khuble shibun bat ngai khuble ro nimpat kane ka kickboxing kampat don ka recognize apo ga olympic 4 judon ka recognition te wala kataro kala don ka jingyak ganti menta ba suki ka government wat ka government jo ka India wat hangne apo jala ke jong iro kila sedang menta ban phai khmat cha kane jingyala kai kickboxing namar ba ka de ka wei ka jingyala kai ka ba wanra burom wanra medal sibun hai ka jala namar ba kane kamdei ka teamwork kane ka individual ba le kai maroi te ki khna samla ki jongi karta ki nang ai ka por ka jong ki banwan ha ka training center kamot karta ki nang la shushu ban learn ban nang shahika yala de man pentabit khamha shushu amdei kum ki wei pat ki teamwork te de nak ta ka daw hi kane ka jingle kai kickboxing kade ka wei ka jingle kai ka ba snotnat bha halu kata ha por bangile kai ni don la ki jong ki category idon ka tiny tots kamot ye ki khulung ki khna ki ba nadu khat ars nam chapo te khat ars nam se jorong kila don ki sub junior kamot ka semi contact tang man chu touching ban fishing point te nang ta ngi don ka light contact ba la ai kham khandet manumala te nang ta ngi don sa ka full contact kamot ngi phong da ka patlon ka tracksuit ka jorong bat bare body don bat ni pendai da ka head guard bat ka gloves te ka ngile da ka points kitaru nang tapat ngi don ka low kick ba phong da ka patlon kot nang tapat ngi don ya kaneka K1 pat ka ba ngi penon kam artaru da ka ni te kane ka de ka jingle kai ka ba la kham long brutal indet ka ba la pau bha prathai ro te ka kickboxing ka de ka wei ka ba la pau bha ko prathai bat ba ki khna samla baro kisno ternat bha ban pe ka ne ka jingle kai kickboxing te kini hi kede ki banta jong ka jingle kai kumut kerdan ki khna ki kyu but yagi khna ngidon ru ka exam ru ngidon nang ba kin yo ye bel ka jongki kamut katkum ka kardan nang tapat kin poi naki white belt nang ta ki yellow belt green belt ter kumta kin poi hadu black belt.
It is indeed very happy to learn that this training center has been opened here in Umsning. It will benefit the children of Umsning. First of all, I'd like to thank all the ladies and gentlemen who are present here to come and participate in this opening of the training center. Nowadays, children are going away from the sports. Day by day, even our parents, mothers, fathers, they are very busy with their life. And we cannot all the time look after our children. So my request to the parents is always promote your children to play sports. Now it is become, the children of today world, it's become like broiler. By the age of 10, they are getting sickness. Why? Because no body exercise, no movement of the body. You eat, watch TV, play game in the mobile, sleep, wake up, eat, sleep, wake up, eat. That is the only thing we are doing right now. No body exercise. That means we are inviting sickness to our body. Earlier days we get beaten up by the parents because we come late, because wholly we play. When we were children, we get beaten up from our parents. Why? We play too much. Now I am 45, I am still strong. But nowadays, children of small, only up to 10, they are getting different type of diseases. Kena smutu. Smutu nam, pakran farang. Mano ba kuat lekai boxing? Rakti. Rakti. So, pet mata pun bakna tang songkop hasnong, amde hasnong haying, pet TV, lekai mobile. Pun bakna mata pan mobile na email pa tang le mobile kumtu, umju lekai su. Tomata kane lalong kum sports mata, amde ban le bakla ban sok brew, amde kum self defense. Mata mut hangne hapoyo iwe kena so iwe kentai pin yarap kemno kira lalong kum broiler pate amla ban self defense pate pi amla kemno pin yarap tu brio to takadao nga request paro ke children kena menta ban sim interest ban lekai football na lekai basketball lekai badminton belai kane benefit jongka met for our benefit of the health. So I am very happy Sri Samuel Hasa has brought this training center to Umsning village so that the children of Umsning can take benefit. And I would like to request the parents to send their children to take part and participate in this training center, so that our children will not only grow but grow with good health. So thank you so much, Sri Samuel Hasa. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you all. Please cooperate. Thank you.